before I came on this trip, I moved to a new place, and when I was going through the door, I tripped over the threshold and I fell and hit my leg. And I was carrying my heavy suitcase. She saw me struggling because I was always the last one in the crowd. And she said, "Give me the bag." I'm like, "No, just a second." She just took it and carried it all through Amsterdam the whole time like it was nothing. She said,
It's a heavy bag too.
And I want to thank you for that. I love and respect you for doing that for me. Thank you.
That's true.
Please, I want the hands to clap louder. This is our morning exercise. It's good for the biceps and the triceps. Come on, clap. No, don't sit down yet. Come back. It's all about you, right? It's all about you, Mama. You okay? So I was so happy when she told me that her and SAS had been roommates for like 3 years.
Yeah.
And I'm like, that's awesome. Because you know, some of us have roommates from hell. Or from another planet. And we're only in that roommate relationship because, you know, it's less rent. And we pray every time we're entering the house, and we spin our roll 3 times before we go in the house to make sure everything is in alignment. But I could sense the friendship and the strength and the sharing and everything between you two. So I'm curious about your friendship and how it started. And then you can feel free to share anything else that you want to share. But that's the part that I'm curious about.
Well, the first time to Ghana for me was in 2011. And I don't know how we ended up in the same room. And then the second year to Ghana was in 2013. We ended up in the same room again. So this year,
I think the second time we were
so this year, 2013, I talked to Mamani. I said, "Mamani, please ask SAS, will she be my roommate again?" She said, "Okay." I mean, we just click. She teaches me a lot, you know. She does all kind of things, you know, like she's teaching everybody else, you know, so I love her. That's my sister. Okay.
my sister myself, like I said.
Oh, wow.
But you really have to get who this lady is. You know, very humble. Sheryle, that's out of St. Louis, Missouri. We both Midwest. We Midwest. I'm from Chi-Town area. I'm Midwest. She's from Missouri, that's Midwest. So there's a connection there. And we old school. We old school all day, every day. Old school never die. So, but the girl is the most fashionable diva on all the team. Work with me on that. And she travels to Chi-Town and shop with the African village every year and buy the best of the best of the best. So SAS be getting the best of the best of the best. The best oils, the best car. I mean, we share, and it's a traditional African way of being. I'm getting to know Sheryle. I'm getting to know all of you, but in those 3 years, we come here once a year. We don't even talk on the phones. I don't talk to her. I don't communicate like that. We vibe, and then it happened, and she here, and then we get it in, and like that. We pick up where we left off. So it's an African thing, and Peppy is like that. In other words, I'm getting chilly willies, because see, Peppy's in that vibe too, same thing. I don't talk to Peppy like that. So much respect and love and affinity there. So it's not all in the verbal, but it's essence. It's who we are as family, soul family. I love my sister myself. She takes really good care of Mama Sarah. Appreciate her.